second week of the quarantine, and at least we got some work to do.
COVID-19.
I can't say that, they'll block my channel. We're gonna do a little system. This is a Type R sound system with the 5-channel baby amp. But it's a strong amp that can handle 2,000 watt amplifier, 5-channel, 1 ohm is gonna give me about, 500 watts. Rear speakers, front speakers, subwoofer. Now the guy went with the Type R's in the front and Type S in the rear because the front is where you're gonna sit and you're gonna get better sound quality up there, so might as well spend extra money. I always say that 70-30, man, 70-30. And then the Type R sub, it's gonna be good. It's gonna bang. What do you think, Junior? You think it's gonna sound good?
Of course.
Lewis, that guy?
Part of the crew. That's not no shit, bro.
Nice. Also, we get the 4-gauge Elite kit. That's gonna be running this. I think the plan. Oh, this is the one we're gonna use to get the sound out of the original stereo. We're gonna go with that factory head unit on this one. All right, so this truck belongs to my boy. We're gonna all we're doing is putting in the subwoofer. So this is what he had. They're already old. Look at this shit. The hell? And then we installed the system for him on his own stuff like a couple months ago. But now he's back. He got a screen. He upgraded his stereo. He got a screen. And then we just put in 2 Alpine Type R's, which they're gonna go pick them up right now so we can hear them bang, you know? Woo! Alright, so Official got his system back into the truck. We're back in business. We also ended up getting another amp for this highs because the other one was bad. Oh, we got that remote start. Oh, check it out. Bam, 2 Alpine Type R's are now there. This guy has more boxes than he has women. Look at this. Look, there's one in the back. Guys, put the keys in and just turn them. So.
Damn, nigga. How much is on?
Huh?
How much is on? How much is on?
The speakers? Some good ones, you'll probably spend like 150 bucks. But anyways, do that later. Go right now with us banging and we're good. The Honda Accord we're gonna be doing system on right here. Go ahead, show them what you gotta do, man. Spray everything down, man. All right, we're gonna show you guys we're working on this vehicle next. We'll be putting the sound system in there. Official, you good?
Yes, sir, man. I'm satisfied.
Official is satisfied. Cool. Okay, so I just finished with Official. I'm gonna go here see how he's gonna tackle this plan. How does he tackle the system when he gets in there? On the radio, it sounded like shit. I go, oh, change the speakers. And then when he fucking put his Bluetooth, it sounded really good. I was like, oh, never mind, you're good. You know, they head on in the video, I go, hey, man, you got more boxes than you have girls. And he got mad. Okay, look. Boom. How are you gonna tackle this? Where are you gonna start? Is this where you're starting with the door panels? So he's gonna change out the speakers first in the front. Then I'm assuming he'll probably do the rear, and then we'll run the cables, and then hook up the box. Where's the amp gonna go?
I don't know.
5-channel DS18.
47?
Yeah.
Under the seat.
Under the seat? Beautiful. Okay, guys, let's see if we can get a time lapse of this. Yeah? I'm down. All right, now it looks like he's gonna be making the speakers fit into the adapters, and we'll get some more time lapse of that. Alright guys, we got the speakers already installed. Those Type R's fat, so perfect. They fit really nice and they they came out good. Now we're gonna try to do the tweeters. This car really has no location for tweeters. So this section right here doesn't have any, it's not really it's too curved, you know? We don't wanna be too curved. Right here is too curved, and he's gonna try to put it somewhere up here on the pillars or down there lower. He's gonna be doing custom pillars. Man. All right, back to the time lapse. Check it out. Louis got the tweeters in. We put them right there in the corners. Bam. So now he's just putting them back. Yeah, that'll work. I like that. That's better than what we thought we were gonna put them. We're gonna put them up here just hanging like that. I'm just kidding. All right, Louis, ready to run some wires? Ooh, done?
Yeah.
Listo. Okay, OEM radio, 5-channel about to be installed. Are we gonna go to the back speakers or the amp?
The other side.
Oh, the other side of the tweeter? Just gotta put the other side in. So see it's hanging right there? You got to get it. You have to get it on there. Be careful, the airbag don't slap you in the face. Imagine? Oh my God, you have a black eye with. But okay, that's what was going on with the front. We got the speakers done. Probably took them like an hour or less. I think less. I think it took them literally like 45 minutes. That's pretty fast coming from, you know, a speaker installation point of view. I feel like this guy just knows what he's gonna do and he attacks it. Is that how you do it? That thing has to come out. Oh, did you guys see that magic? Factory. Dude, that was cool. That was cool. I'm not gonna lie. Parao. Look at that. Fits flush. Cool. All right, guys. Man, that thing was a B word. Let's get that wire through. But now we're gonna run the rest.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna.
All right. It looks like he did a lot of work. You guys saw all that work? Man, that's amazing. So right now, what are you doing? Let's just put everything back. And that's the amp. Look at look how nice and cozy it looks underneath there. Man, that's the beautiful thing about having 5 channels. They're just so comfortable in its own little spot. Cool, look at this thing, man. You have to take out the whole rear deck for this?
Yeah.
People are like, it's easy, bro. You just gotta, that's it. Dang, Lewis is now putting everything back. Oh no, we have to go this way.
Yes. 20 minutes.
We missed the take it apart. I didn't put the take it apart on the time lapse because there's a lot of time lapse. I don't think you guys want to see time lapse all day, do you? Nice, Lewis. Hey, Lewis, we're recording in 30 frames a second. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I did change it up. I was doing 24, but I kind of like the 30. It's growing on me. They're like, who cares? Oh. Now the only thing left is the box and to tune it? How do you know I tuned it already? You know why? It's because that's the 10th time he's done the system. We do them like cookie cutters, maybe. This car was made in... It doesn't say where. Look at this, man. This car was born August 17th, 2016 at 5:58 a.m. Who was working that early? I don't even know. Damn, that's crazy. Let's put it back. That's cool. I didn't know that. You got a birth certificate right there, guys. What?
$69 is free.
$69 is free?
No, 69.
Oh yeah, the wrapper. 69 is free. Hey, look, there's a birth certificate here. This car was produced at 6 a.m. Must have been the first car out the lot. 8/17/2016 at 5:58 a.m.
it belongs to the car and not to this.
Oh shit, you're right. Never mind, guys. The foam was installed on that date. I don't know. Yeah, it says customer part number. You're right. I don't like this anymore, bro. He just ruined my whole thing. That thing was supposed to be cool. You guys were like, oh man, that's cool. That's so cool. He just ruined it. He literally just babusa'd me. The system is done! The system is done! Now we're gonna hear it. I'm gonna get some bass. Oh, tiene mucho engine noise, way.
How to participate, head over to CaliforniaCensus.org.
You're working from home.
Nice.
Got the club going up on a Tuesday. Nobody flipping packs now.
Okay, man, so he's already done with that. It sounds amazing. I'm gonna call the customer. We finished at 6 o'clock. We started at 11 and now 6 o'clock. Full system done. 5-channel amplifier, it's ready to go. All right, my friends and family. Because yes, I do have some subscribers who are family. I'm done. We finished the Honda. That was a cool build. There's a lot of time lapse in this one. I don't know if you guys like that because you got to see a lot what was going on. This was a 2017 Honda Accord. Like I said, it was a cool build. It was really fun. It sounds amazing. I wish I could let you guys hear it. I probably put a little clip in there, and I hope I don't get you know, blacklisted for that, or whatever they call it, flagged, or copyright notices. But man, I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I appreciate you guys subscribing, and those of you who've been with me from the beginning, I truly appreciate you guys. Yeah, so you know, this pandemic thing is still going on, or whatever this is, it's still going on. Again, keep safe. Hope you guys are doing well. Any questions, put the comments down below, and if you enjoy what I'm doing, please give me some structure, or whatever you guys think I should do better, or what do you want to see more. There was no B-roll in this because, you know, I don't have my digital camera here because I'm not using it. But yeah, thanks guys. Subscribe, comment, and do your thing.